Hello, good morning students. I am Hitesh Rajgaur from White House Public School. Students, today we are going to learn tenses. So altogether there are 12 forms of tenses which we are going to learn. So we are aware about three types of tenses which are present tense, past tense and future tense, right? So each one carries four forms. So let us start with here present tense, which has its four forms: simple present tense, present continuous tense, which can also be called present progressive tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Next we have is past tense. Four forms are simple past tense, past continuous tense, or it can also be called past progressive tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Moving forward, we can see here future tense. Four forms: simple future tense, future continuous tense, which can also be called future progressive tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So these are all the 12 forms which we are going to learn. But students, before moving ahead and to learn tenses, one thing is very important to understand. So what is that? It is very important to learn and understand three forms of verbs. These are the three forms of verbs. Here we can see V1, V2, V3. So what is V1? V1 is present tense, which can also be called the base form. V2, it is past tense. V3, it is past participle tense. So here we have some examples also. So let us see. Here, write, wrote, written, mistake, mistook, mistaken, bite, bit, bitten, drink, drank, drunken, walk, walked, walked, laugh, laughed, laughed, paint, painted, painted, come, came, come. Students, you can see here that verb 1 and verb 3 are similar, right? Come, here also, and here also it is come. So those are similar. So where is the change? Change is here in the past tense, V2. Here we have came. Next is become, became, become. Right? Now next is we have over here burn, burned, burnt, burned. Here also burnt, burned. Now either of the word can be used. Dream, dreamt, dreamed, dreamt, dreamed. This is the same. V2 are same. Here also V2 is same. Here also V2 is same. So either of the word can be used. Next is feed, fed, fed. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. So students, this is very important. You have to keep it in mind. You have to understand this. Three forms of verbs, before learning and going for tenses. So take it as a homework that you have to write it down. Three forms of verbs, as many as possible for you. So now, students, let us move ahead and start with our tenses. Here we have simple present tense. So what we have used is verb 1, right? See here, you can see verb 1, verbs. I have verbs I have written down over here. Those are read, write, play, jump, go, do, plan, cook, speak. These are the few verbs I have written down. These are the base form, which can be called, which is called verb 1. So we have to use verb 1 in simple present tense. So let us go for some examples. I read newspaper daily. You write very fast. We play cricket daily. They jump very high. Amar and Deep go to market daily. Okay, so here you can see that we have used verb 1. Read, write, play, jump, go. No changes in the verb. As it is, V1 we have put here, right? We have to use. Okay, now, so there, if we have to make changes, so where the changes comes is in the third person singular, that is he, she, it, and one person, right? For example, what we have to use is V1 plus S or ES. V1 plus S or ES, right? So let us see the examples. He writes very fast. Now, write plus S, which we have, it becomes writes. She does her homework regularly. Do becomes does. It jumps very high. Jump becomes jumps. Amma plays cricket in the evening. Right? Play becomes plays. So, moving on to next, we have present continuous, present progressive tense. You can also call it as present progressive tense. So what we are going to use is our V1 plus ing. So here you can see, students, I am writing an essay. You are doing well. We are playing chess. They are planning for picnic. Manish and Dinesh are going for shopping. Okay, so what we have used, with I we have used am, right? You are. We cannot use you is doing well, right? With you always are comes. Now these are plural things. This is the first person, this is the second person. These are plural forms. We, so we have used are. We are playing chess. They are planning for picnic. Manish and Dinesh are going for shopping. So very easy. Now moving on to third person singular. He is reading loudly. She is cooking food. It is playing in the garden. Manish is planning for a good weekend. So here we have used is, he is, she is, it is, Mahesh is. Okay, hope students you have understood this. Now moving on to next, we have present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, the thing which is already which had started earlier and just have been completed, means just have been finished. So that is perfect tense. So here we have present perfect tense. What we have to use is has, have plus V3. Have, has plus V3. Okay, so please everyone pay attention over here. With I, you, we are always going to use have, we, they, and plural more than one person we are going to use have, right? I have written a story. You have played well in cricket. We have completed our work. They have read all the stories. Manish and Atul have planned for picnic. Right? So with plural we have to use have, and with third person singular we are going to use has. For example, here we can see he has done his work. She has cooked food cooked for everyone. It has jumped very high. Atul has gone to market. So what we have used is have plus V3. You can see here have plus V3. Has plus V3, has plus V3, right? So in perfect tense, present perfect tense, we have to use have, has, or and plus V3. Moving on to next is our present perfect continuous tense, that is, or you can also call it present perfect progressive tense. Have been plus V1 plus ing, or has been plus V1 plus ing. Now it is clear that we have to use have been with plural and first person and second person, right? Next we have to use has been with third person singular, right? And with plural we have to use have been. So let us start with the examples. I have been speaking for nearly 2 hours. You have been playing well in the match. We have been planning for a party. They have been reading magazines. Manish and Anil have been completing their work. So, students, it is clear that we have used have been speaking plus ing, right? It is very easy to understand. In very simple language, I have written down with good examples. So here we have again, he has been playing for the whole day. Has been playing. She has been cooking rice in the kitchen. Has been cooking. Right? It has been flying high in the sky. Atul has been preparing for his exams. Has been preparing. Okay, so here we have completed this present perfect continuous tense. Right? So now, hope students you have understood only few things what we have to use. You have to keep it in mind. So let us move ahead to our next part now. Okay, students, thank you very much.